Stop holding your breath. Let's talk about why we actually get hiccups instead. So hiccups are these annoying little spasms in your diaphragm. The diaphragm is that muscle under your lungs that helps you breathe. Sometimes it gets irritated, like when you eat too fast, drink soda, or even when you're nervous. This irritation causes the diaphragm to suddenly contract, and when it contracts, it makes you suck in air quickly, which then hits your vocal cords and BAM! You get that hic sound. It's like your body's tiny, uncontrollable burp. Funny, right? But don't worry, hiccups usually go away on their own. So next time you get them, just remember, it's your diaphragm throwing a little tantrum. Keep calm and hiccup on.